Imagine a world where you can defend your body against the relentless invasion of cancer cells with the power of your everyday diet. Sounds like a science fiction, right? Well, get ready to be amazed because it's not. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. Nature has provided us with some incredible weapons against cancer hidden in the foods we eat. So stay tuned as we unveil these cancer-fighting warriors. But before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing content. Now, let's get right into it. Segment 1 talks about the stinky superhero. So first up, we have the pungent powerhouse, garlic. You might love it or hate its strong smell, but there's no denying its potent cancer-fighting properties. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their self-destruction. Hence, garlic is a tasty way to keep those cancer cells at bay. Segment 2, Nature's Tiny Warriors. Let's see who they are. Next on our list are berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These little fruits are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help prevent cancer. They neutralize harmful free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Plus, they are delicious, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Segment 3 talks about our green shield. So let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. They are nutritional powerhouses rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. What makes them cancer-fighting champions are their high levels of chlorophyll, which can block the carcinogenic effects of certain chemicals. So remember to load up your plate with these greens for a healthier you. Segment 4 talks about the golden spice. Our next cancer-killing ingredient comes from the East, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been linked to inhibiting the growth of various cancer cells and even improving the effectiveness of chemotherapy. So don't forget to add a dash of this golden spice to your dishes for its incredible health benefits. Segment 5, the Brassica Brigade. Last, but certainly not least, we have cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are like the Brassica Brigade, standing strong against cancer. They contain compounds like sulforaphane that help your body detoxify harmful chemicals and reduce cancer risk. These cruciferous veggies aren't just tasty side dishes, they are your armor against cancer. So there you have it, 5 foods that can help kill cancer cells and protect your body from harm. Remember, incorporating these cancer-fighting superheroes into your daily diet can be a game changer in your quest for a healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this information valuable and share this video with your loved ones to spread the knowledge. Together, we can create a world where we are armed with the right tools to fight against cancer. Thanks for joining us today. Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, your body is your temple. Treat it with care. Until next time, keep fighting the good fight against cancer and stay tuned for more life-changing content right here on our channel. See you in the next one. Toodles!